Our subject today is kitchen wall mounts, and as to my left here, you'll see the first one we just put in, and we got these big pans, cut them out of the way. We ran out of room under the stove, and the drawer under the stove is filled up, so we got those, and we got another pan here and a strainer, and this, we didn't want to keep this on top of the stove, because in case of it's aerosol, and I guess for safety reasons, we didn't want anything exploding. And also, since we're in this corner, the last thing we installed was this magnetic knife rack, but I guess we'd have to change the function of it to a magnetic kitchen utensil rack. We got a pizza cutter here, what is that, a spatula and a beater mixer?
Yeah, a whisk.
And then an ice cream scoop, which I've already tested out, and then a couple of knives, and then a peeler. So, and this magnet is really strong. It's extremely strong. And
yeah, these magnets. This is really neat.
Yeah.
Like you just when you're done using it, just clean it,
take
stick it
some
back
of this
on.
stuff out and replace it. If we get better kitchen knives, we'll probably put them up there. And so and then this is anchored into the board, so it's pretty strongly affixed in there. So
How long would you say it took to
how
install
about you
these?
step over here and add some comments? I'll step over there.
Okay, sure. Yeah, so I guess just a quick question, like how long did it take to install both of these? So there's one the camera can see, but there's one you can't see on this back wall.
The first one, since the one around the corner here you can't see, but there again it was affixed. We wanted to make sure it was affixed into the boards because it can carry some. We were planning on putting some heavy things on there, and it'll hold them. That one took a little bit longer, but we drilled pilot holes. We used screws that didn't come with the product itself, and it took a little bit longer, but the second time around we knew what we were doing and it went a little bit faster. It wasn't overall that long of a deal. It wasn't a big of a project, but we wanted to make sure it was right. But so either one, they're both functional. Almost immediately we started hanging things on here, and it's a variety of things. Some things are light, some are a little bit heavier, but it cleared off the stove and it put stuff out of the way. And so it was a really worthwhile endeavor.
Yeah, it's probably really convenient to just have all your stuff right there rather than a cabinet or a cupboard or something like that.
So this was a kind of a work in progress and a kind of a thing. The stove got just too cluttered with items, and then this way it takes them out of the way. And we still have a big frying pan up there, and we got a big pot up there as well that wouldn't fit in this drawer down here. I should probably pull this drawer open to show you. There we got pans and so forth in there, and trays and that kind of thing. And so this worked out pretty good. And there's no law that says you can't change what you hang up here. The function of it, different items could be applied real easy. You just let the situation dictate what see if I can do this one. Hey, they're closed right. So that's our kitchen. It's a work in progress. So thanks to our guest here, our visiting expert, Renaissance man of all kind of talents and so forth. And so let's sign off on this one. Give him a thumb. Give him a peeler.